Hey everybody, Billy here from Wizard World at the Comic Bug in Manhattan Beach for the Geekly News. Last week, Wesley Snipes confirmed that he has had talks with Marvel about reprising his role as Blade the Vampire Hunter. We haven't seen him in a Blade movie since 2004, although Wesley Snipes has been fighting other forms of bloodsuckers in the IRS. In a bit of shocking casting news, MARISA Tomei has been cast as Aunt Tomei, in the new Spider-Man movie. Now, she is a little bit younger than Sally Field and whoever the woman is that played it in the other Spider-Man movies, which I'm sure Damien is going to put her name on right now and correct me. But I will say that MARISA Tomei is the first Aunt May to be featured on Mr. Skin, the wrestler. Such a great movie. Last weekend was San Diego Comic-Con 2015, a huge event, and our own Damien Buer was down there. Damien's going to give you a little recap.
Hey guys, Damien here, going to give you some highlights from this year's San Diego Comic-Con. Warner Brothers came to play this year, announcing not only a Green Lantern Corps film, but also an animated adaptation of The Killing Joke, and a Ben Affleck written and directed solo Batman movie coming soon. They also treated us to a brand new trailer for Batman vs. Superman: Dawn of Justice, which was also officially released online at the same time. The trailer for Suicide Squad also hit online, albeit unofficially, which forced Warner Brothers to release the footage in HD to the general public. Meanwhile, 20th Century Fox brought new trailers for X-Men Apocalypse and what some consider to be the crowd favorite of the year, Ryan Reynolds' Deadpool, which the trailer was announced to be coming online in 3 weeks. Not to be outdone by the comic book movies, Star Wars released a new video at their panel chronicling the making of The Force Awakens and how CGI is taking a backseat to practical effects. Not only did fans get to see new footage, but Harrison Ford also made his first public appearance since his plane crash injuries. After the panel, con-goers were treated to a surprise outdoor Star Wars concert and fireworks. On the comic book side of things, IDW and DC Comics announced that Batman and the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles will team up for a mini-series to debut soon. Marvel will also be debuting a team-up series featuring Deadpool and Spider-Man, and if you can't get enough of the wall crawler, Marvel will also be debuting a new Spidey series focusing on his adventures as a teen in high school. Of course, there were tons of other highlights to the show which you can check out online and by Googling, but we also have a ton of photos on our Facebook page. Check those out, and I'll see you guys later.
And that does it for the Geekly News. Be sure to check us out on Facebook.com/WizardWorld. Check out all the videos on the YouTube page. Follow us on Twitter at Wizard World and Instagram at Wizard World. And I will see you guys around the con.